going to sort our number blocks from 1 to 30. Now, 1 and 2 are the first number blocks. So, of the skateboard, and 1 and 2 are going to skate to their places. 1 and 2, they're going to go together. 1 and 2. On you two go. The skating and the skateboards. And off they go. And off they go to their places. 1, 2. Now, 3. On it goes. Whoosh. On. And 3 goes. 4. Up on here. To which place? It's a number block 4. Now we need number block 5. Which will go with 6. 5 and 6. Going on.
5 and 6. Going.
Number block 7 is very lucky, so we can just up 7 goes into its place. So 8, 9, and 10. 8. There goes 8, 9, and 10. 10 is rocket, and 10. Let's leave some space between them. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I need to do 11 to 20 number blocks over here. 11. So she just has to. And now 12 has to use this. It's 12.
Lilo's here. Lilo's here.
11. 11 likes football. 13.
11.
14. Skateboard master. 14 on the skateboard. Very fast, very speedy. 14. Now, people cannot use the skateboard anymore because 14 took the skateboard. So, 15, and 16. 15 is going to use her steps power to spin around and reach her place. 16, square party. 17, Noor is hitting them with the football. 18 is a master at speech. 19, 20, 21, and 22. 19, 20, 21, 22. And also number block 22 also likes football. So number block 22 is also going to come and play football. 2 teams, 22 and 11. 22 and 11. 11 hits the ball, 22 will kick it. And 11 kicks the ball to Noor. So back you go, 22. 23. 23. Gliding off like this and flying in the air. 24. 24 is also a super duper rectangle. So let's make her have some super duper speed. 25. A square. And in a number blocks episode, she's carrying a box with 16 in it. So she's carrying number block 16 to go with her. Okay, there you go, 16 on the 25. And she's also gonna carry 9. And she's also gonna carry 9 because of that number blocks episode. When 25 and 9 carry the box with 16 in it. And 25 will also carry, and 16 will carry 25 in the episode again. Now we need number block 26. 27, just a cube. So 27 is gonna go get. The 27 is gonna go get 9 and 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 9 times 3 is 27. Back you go, 3 and 9. Now 27 needs to divide off with the other number blocks. 28. So here you are, 28. 29. Noor, come on, are you angry? But 29. 29 does not have any special thing to go on. And 29 does not want to walk right now. So 29 is just going to use this yellow thing to go down. And he's got the yellow thing and like that. And the yellow thing is off. 30. Her color is yellow. So we're also going on the yellow thing. But her yellow thing is on the side because she already has a hat. Now we need to sort them. We need to sort the ones which have been muddled up. Except the football. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.